thank you for Elmley Trade School for the drinks. So very, very much appreciated on this very hot day. And for all the volunteers, led of course by Paul, who've created this wonderful resting spot, which we call them the sidings. Watch this space because lots of stuff is in the pipeline. Without further ado, Elliot's going to cut that ribbon. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
There we are. Do come and look at the wonderful sign.
Say a few words, Tim.
Oh, Elliot's going to say a few words. Off you go, mate.
Thank you to everyone for coming today on this spot today to officially open the sidings. I'm here with Sheppey from City Parish Council.
Hello everyone, giving all the drinks.
Thank you for giving out the drinks as well. City Parish Council, one of the main sponsors. I want to thank the charity Sheppey Light Rail Greenway for all their incredible work and all the volunteers for their time and energy, ranging from the freezing cold land path down there to the extreme heat they've had this week when they've been installing the 2 additional signs. So thank you everyone for coming.
There's another information sign up by Willing Ripping. I don't know whether you walk down that way, but that's, and also one in Power Station Road. So we're going to be doing these all the way along. And Minster Parish Council has been very generous. And because you've actually been here digging holes as well, haven't you?
Yep, I've helped lay that path up there. Yeah.
So very good. And we had a volunteer force of over 20 people. Just to say that you'll see all the names of the various companies and things and other people. Local companies have been very generous with plant hire and stuff like that, which would mean that we'd be able to do a lot more than we would otherwise do. There we go. Yeah, still more drinks there for those who want.
Oh yeah, I forgot I'm serving it.
Yeah, yes, it's serving drinks, yeah.
See, there's a place for you and me on the island by the sea. Come and join our cycling family. If you've never ridden before, we'll help you open up that door, step by step, nice and slow. Before you know it, off you'll go. Everybody starts somewhere, we'll help you get there with care. No pressure, no need to race, just smiling faces, every pace. Ride with us, side by side. Feel the freedom, feel the pride. Sheppey Community Cycling Club, where everybody's welcome, young or old, fast or slow. There's always somewhere new to go. Your smile, medium rides for every mile. When you're ready, challenge more. Adventures waiting to explore. Pedal through the countryside, along the coast with every ride. Fresh sea air and open sky, making memories that never die. Bring your friends, bring your family too. There's a place waiting here for you. No bite, we've got that covered. Need a helmet? We've got you. If you're nervous, don't you worry. Take your time. There's never cheer you on. Before you know it, your confidence has grown. Ride with us, laugh with us, discover every lane, every journey, every smile makes you want to come again. Sheppey Community Cycling Club, where everybody belongs. From your very first ride, that chance, join the ride, come and dance, turn the pedals, feel alive. The best adventures start with one ride.